Hello and hi friends, my name is Suresh Chauhan and you are watching my channel Tech. So friend, today in this video we're gonna discuss about a common problem of Windows 10, which was like this: IRQL not less or equal. This is a blue screen of death. If you are facing a problem of blue screen of death on the BIOS menu only, then you have to follow one step, which is this. If you are getting this kind of automatic repair interference, then you have to click on the advanced option, then on troubleshoot, then on afterward you have to click on the advanced option again, and then on the command prompt you have to open the command prompt anyhow. Or if you can open your Windows 10, then you have to go on the run and type cmd, and the cmd option would definitely open like this. So you have to basically follow two steps in this, which are on the command prompt only, and two other methods which you have to do some changes on the Windows. So I will show the command first. How can you check the problems, what is happening in Windows 10, which was like this. First command is sfc space forward slash scan now. So this is a basically command of checking the system file, if they are corrupted or not. We can check the file by following this command. Then you just need to type enter and wait for some time. It will you have to be patient, it will take some time. So this was the first command. You have to do this and you can check it out. The other command is that you have to check the disk of your Windows where file are stored. So this was the command chkdsk space forward slash f space forward slash r space c, where the you have to write that drive name where your system file are stored. So my one is in C drive, so I will type C over here, then colon, then press enter. So this will check it out, the corrupted file in your disk where your system file has been stored. It will done once you restart your PC. So you have to type exit now and simply restart your PC and see that the checking process would irrigate your problem. Since if this method, two of this method would not work with for you, then we have to skip towards the next method, which was like this. You have to go on the device manager of your system. You just need to go on the run. You can type over here a command dvm gmt.msc. You just have to click on OK now. Afterward, you will come across the interference of device manager. Here you have to go on the disk drives, the drives which are here. You have to double click on the disk drive. Now on the disk drives you have to right click and click on the properties over here. Afterward you have to click on the policies. Now on the policies you have to turn off, you have to uncheck this box. If this box has been checked, like this box has been checked, then you have to uncheck turn off Windows write cache. So you have to uncheck this box over here, then click OK, and afterward you have to restart your PC again. So this was the method of unchecking the process. Then afterward, if this method also doesn't work for you, then we have to go on the next method, which was like this. You have to install all the USB devices. Again you have to go on the device manager and you have to install all the devices which are connected to your USB ports, like except then mouse and keyboard. You have to install all the devices, and then you have to restart your PC and again check whether you are facing the same problem again and again or not. So this were the four method. You hope one of the method would definitely work for you. If this video helped you out, then you can give a like button to this video and even do subscribe my channel for more further videos like this. If you have any more problem regarding this problem or issue, you can leave a comment on the comment section. I will definitely help you out within 24 hours. Thank you friends, and Jai Hind and Vande Mataram.